Dusty Shadow 1969. I'm on Royal Caribbean's newly amplified Harmony of the Seas. Let's check it out. We're in Central Park. Central Park is actually an outdoor part of the ship. It's actually at the bottom part of like the hot dog bun. Like you got staterooms on both sides. Up there. Look at that. Alright. Here is the Rising Tide Bar. This bar actually rises here on deck 8 down to deck 5. Behind Rising Tide Bar is Chops Grill. That's it over here. That's this fish tank thing. Chops Grill. Here at Central Park, all these plants, these trees, these are all real. That's right, real plants and trees here in Central Park. This little bridge thing here. Great view of like water slides up there. Up ahead is Park Cafe, complimentary restaurant. Great place to grab sweets. Alright, got some music playing, live band up there. Alright. Alright. Here on the right side we got Giovanni's. Giovanni's is a specialty restaurant. Charge for that. And here, in case you forgot where you are. At nighttime they have actually live performers here. Some folks over here as well. Alright. Up here at the heart-shaped giant sunglass, it's the forward part of Central Park. There it is. Central Park. Got a couple shops here on the right side. Here is like my favorite little cubby. Good place to hang out. It's nice and secluded. Park Cafe here with outdoor seating. They have indoor seating as well. Like I said, all these plants, all flowers, these are all real. Up there. Pretty plants here growing on trellis as well. And of course, the trellis bar. Never too many steps away from your favorite beverage. Now the view of the Rising Tide Bar. Central Park. This is a very popular specialty restaurant. A lot of people like that one. 150 Central Park. And here's Chops Grill. Alright, we're back where we started from. Hopefully you liked this video, so please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And also, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and hopefully I'll get to see you on board soon. Have a great day.